The Durham County Department of Social Services provides adult protective services. You may ask yourself, what is adult abuse, neglect, or exploitation? Abuse is when a caretaker inflicts physical pain, injury, or mental anguish, forces unreasonable confinement, or deprives necessary services to a disabled or vulnerable adult. Self-neglect is when a disabled adult is unable to care for themselves. Caretaker neglect is when a person responsible for the care of a disabled adult does not provide or arrange for the care. Exploitation is when someone improperly uses the resources of a vulnerable adult for their own profit or advantage. What can you do? If you suspect abuse, neglect, or exploitation of an adult by their caregiver, report it immediately to the Department of Social Services. To make a report, call 919-560-8000 or visit us at the Human Services Building in the Department of Social Services at 414 East Main Street, Durham, North Carolina, 27701. When making a report, it is helpful to have the adult's name and approximate age, the caregiver's names and approximate ages, and the adult's address and phone numbers. Please keep in mind that you do not need to prove abuse or neglect. You do not need permission from the caregivers. You do not need to inform the caregivers. And you do not need permission from your workplace. Once again, if you suspect abuse, neglect, or exploitation of an adult by their caregiver, report it immediately to the Department of Social Services.